Hello everyone and welcome. So today I will be driving around in my city and you're going to see a little bit about my town. So I really hope that you can hear me quite well, because my camera is on the other side of my car, so I'm not sure how well microphone is recording. At least I hope you will enjoy this video, because it's going to be, well, quite poor, I think, because it's just driving around in city at night. And while driving I might be answering some maybe even unasked questions, like how old I am, where am I from, how long have I been doing videos on YouTube and stuff like that. So anyways, I am 23 years old. My birthday was on February 13th. I am from city Kėdainiai in Lithuania. What is that car doing here? I have been making YouTube videos for quite a while. I've had other channel that I've been uploading RuneScape music videos. It's called RuneScape or something, I forgot, but it's in my featured channels part of my page, so you can see it right there if you're interested. That is probably not, because, well, RuneScape is quite dead, I guess. So yeah, we're driving around in my hometown, which is, as I told, Kėdainiai. It's quite a nice town. Many bad stuff happened lately in here. Kids were murdered, girl was kidnapped and then killed. Well, quite a lot of bad things, but it's a nice town. Wow, what an amazing topic for this video. Anyways, let's remember what you may have asked in my previous videos. Oh, I was asked if I am going to do a face reveal video. Yes, but it's not going to be happening soon. I'm sorry. I'm thinking of doing some kind of gameplays or something, if I can find some interesting and not high computer stats requiring games. And now on April, as I've promised to my subscribers, to my friends, I will be trying to upload one video every day for the whole month. So it is 1 hour left until it's next day, so I'm doing this because I can't make it at home and make a video in such short time. I want to make it for today. To some, today can be in few more hours, or maybe it's already next day, but I'm doing it by my own time, so it's going to be in 1 hour. So I'm just gonna be doing a small ride around my city and boom, quickly go home and upload this video. Great, green light is for me, no stopping. close to it. Some may not know what's it like. It has few graffiti paintings on the wall, which are quite nice. Maybe they will be visible from the point of view that you are. Let's go in this mountain. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's on the wall. Let's go in this small off-road and turn around. So yeah, maybe it's visible, maybe not, but this is ice cream factory of our town. I myself work at sugar factory. I'm a welder and a smith. Well, at least that's what is told in my work documents. And well, I can work as a smith and a welder, so yeah. And we have a green light again. We're lucky. Now we will be going in the gypsy part of town. Well, some may call it this way because most of them live in here. Gypsies or Romanians. Romanians would sound nicer, I guess. It's quite a late night. I have work tomorrow. I wake up at 6:40 and I go to work at 7:20. So when I will be coming back home, I will be having some food and quite soon going to bed. So not the healthiest lifestyle, but this is what I get for driving around at night. I was told that this neighborhood that I am driving in right now 2 days ago was totally black. No lights, no nothing. And people that told me said that it looked very creepy. water gets still to like minus or 0 Celsius, and it's not healthy for fountains or water hoses at home or something that are put outside. Now we're driving past one of the most popular places for people with cars to hang out. I'm hearing strange noises in my car that it feels like some plastic things are rubbing. After I got stuck in that mud, you probably saw this video. I made my car worse. When I let go of my wheel, it goes quite hard to right side. I don't like it. I'm hearing strange noises, but those noises could have been in this car long ago, but most of the time I'm driving with loud music, so I just don't hear noises like that. Some kind of panels scraping, scratching or squeaking. If you saw my video on what's it like to be driving in my car, then you should know that music and lights are quite often thing in my car. But with these lights I really get much attention from other people. Some of them say they really like them, it looks amazing, but they wouldn't do such thing in their cars. I perfectly understand them. Having so many lights, it's almost 5 meters of LED stripes in my car, so you can imagine how much light there is. Oh, and looks like I might be stopped by cops, but no, looks like they are waiting for someone else. Would have been cool thing to get stopped by cops during this video. And I'm not sure how it is on the camera, but it's actually getting pretty foggy outside. So yeah, maybe that guy without the car was actually driving away from fog. Now we're getting close to our, well, one of two, if I'm not mistaken, city pools. It's right here, Baseinas. It's called pool. I might be going there someday to do some exercises for my hurting back. I'm not sure yet, but I should. I see some girls sitting on the bench smoking. I don't really like when women are smoking. It's kind of a nasty habit. So yeah, it would be fun to do something like in movies, to go to these girls and spray water bottle on them just to get their cigarettes off. Maybe it wouldn't be as fun as I imagine. Anyways, it's getting pretty late, so I think it's time to end off this video in here and go home, because there's nothing more to talk if you guys would like to see an actual Q&A video, I wouldn't mind doing it. You just need to leave me some questions, and first leave me your opinion on this video if you would like to see Q&A videos. If not, well, I won't be doing them. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.